Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to dive into the world of landscape design and learn how to create a basic plan. This isn't about complicated blueprints or professional software. We're focusing on the practical steps to help you visualize your ideal outdoor space before any shovels hit the ground. By creating a simple plan, you'll gain clarity and confidence as you transform your yard into something truly special. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your dream landscape to life. Before we start sketching and planning, let's take a moment to define our goals. What do you envision for your landscape? Do you dream of hosting lively gatherings, creating a haven for relaxation, or nurturing a vibrant garden? Maybe you're looking for a blend of all three. Take a moment to consider your lifestyle. Do you have young children who need a play area? Are you an avid gardener? By understanding your priorities, you'll shape a landscape that truly reflects your needs and enhances your enjoyment of your outdoor space. Now it's time to get our hands dirty, literally. Grab your measuring tape and get ready to accurately measure your space. We need to determine the length and width of your yard, as well as the location of any existing features like trees, fences, or sheds. Don't forget those pesky corners. Once you have your measurements, create a simple sketch. You can use a pen and paper, or if you're tech-savvy, a digital tool like a drawing app or even a basic floor plan software. This rough outline will serve as the foundation for your landscape design. With your measurements in hand, let's start planning the layout of your landscape. This is where the fun really begins. Think about the key elements you want to include: pathways leading to different areas, a cozy patio for relaxation, vibrant flower beds, or perhaps a soothing water feature. Use your sketch to experiment with different arrangements. Try moving things around, adding or subtracting elements, and see what feels right. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about creating a space that flows well and fulfills your vision. Now it's time to bring your landscape to life with plants and materials. First, select plants that are well suited to your climate. Research what grows best in your region and choose plants that thrive in your soil and sunlight conditions. Don't forget to consider your design style. Do you prefer colorful blooms, lush foliage, or low-maintenance options? When it comes to materials, explore the world of hardscaping. Research different types of pavers for your patio and walkways, and consider materials like stone, brick, or even recycled materials for a unique look. Don't overlook retaining walls, which can add structure and beauty to sloped areas. Take a step back and review your plan. Does it still reflect your initial goals? Are there any areas you want to adjust? This is your chance to make any final tweaks before moving forward. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to finalize your choices. Create a detailed planting list, specifying the types and quantities of plants you need. Also, make a materials list for hardscaping elements like pavers, gravel, and any necessary tools. Having these lists ready will make the construction phase smoother and more efficient.